Okay, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how I edit my photos ready for Instagram. I went on a shoot bit earlier today, so here's the raw photos. Now we're going to go into Lightroom and edit them from there. Nicer 4x5 because that's what you use, that's like the phone standard. So I've just eliminated all of that, which is useful. Yeah, but then I'm going to do artistic full, so I like that on this image. Auto, 25 contrast, lower the exposure, maybe a little bit more, like that, maybe 0.2. That's nicer. I'm not going to play about the colour, just make that a 20 and that a 5. And then you're going to click edit in Photoshop. So whilst we wait for that to open, as you see up here, opening Photoshop. So that's what we've got so far. We've still got all of these in it. So here we go. Here's this. Now what you're going to want to use is this tool, the lasso tool. Then you want to zoom in over this and just circle around it. Give it a second to do it. Oh god, no. Deselect first. Highlight that until it's pretty much perfect. I'm just going to do it up there again because I feel like I didn't get that bit quite as well as I wanted it to. No, that doesn't suit it. Okay, we'll leave it. Then the CCTV camera over here. Like, it's probably needed in real life, but you just don't want it on your photo, so you cut around it like that, and it's just contour aware fill, so it just like looks around it and thinks, what should I add in its place, and that just gets the pole still pretty much straight. It's just a slight bend in it there, as you see in the pixelated bit, but it's more or less perfect. Then I'm going to zoom here, just zoom this bit out, because that new bit there just isn't, you can't see it. There we go. Now I'll zoom into the jacket. So that is more or less it. So you see we got rid of the CCTV camera, we got rid of the big orange bit there, got rid of the sign, we got rid of the pole that sticks up there. So you can see some stuff over here which is a bit brighter. Well, it's a house. We can get rid of that quite easily just by doing that. And now it's not even noticeable. There we go. The finished photo. So now we're going to file, export. So this is the finished photo ready to upload to Instagram. And yeah, go check me out. I'm James_Ruo_photography. Link will be in the description down below.